Hi friends, welcome to Kavya Prem Recipes. Today we're going to see how to make potato deep fry. For this we need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 medium sized potatoes finely chopped into cubes, 1 big onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, a sprig of curry leaves, half tablespoon of mustard seeds, salt as you needed, cumin seeds half tablespoon, a pinch of hing, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. After heating up the oil, add mustard seeds. When it started to splatter, now add cumin seeds. Now add hing. Now we added onion, saute it well. As usual, saute it well until it becomes golden brown. Now add curry leaf. Now add crushed garlic. Mix it with the soil. Saute it well until its raw smell is gone. Okay, in this stage we are going to add potatoes. If we added the potatoes, saute it well and mix it with the onion, garlic. Okay, now add turmeric powder, sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder, no worries, you can use red chilli powder. If you use sambar powder, it becomes tasty. It gives more taste than the ordinary red chilli powder. Salt as you need it. Saute it well. Okay, we sauteed well. In this stage, you need to do the thing is your flame should be in low and keep it and cover it with the lid. Don't need to add water because it will cook its evaporating water itself, so no need to add water. Approximately it will take the time to cook 20 minutes. You need to do the thing is 5 minutes once you often saute it well. Then only the potato will not burn, otherwise it will burn. So you need to often saute, at least 5 minutes once you need to saute it well. Okay. See, our potato dry fry is ready. This is the stage. In this stage, switch off the flame. So this is the stage of reaching potato dry fry. When you reach this stage, let's switch off the flame. Till that you need to do the one thing, which is you saute. Often you need to saute the potato fry. So this is very easy. Exactly, it takes 30 minutes for me to cook this potato dry fry. So must try this recipe at your home. This potato dry fry goes well with sambar rice. Best side dish for rasam, rotis, chapatis and tomato rice also. So must try this recipe at your home. Thanks for watching. Please write your comments. Thanks.